Hey guys, how are you doing? A quick video today. A few days ago, I released a video talking about the dark mode in Power BI. And after a few hours, Power BI rolled back to the August version and the dark mode went missing. Today, Microsoft officially released the September 2024 release that has dark mode back. So, what do you need to do? At this time, when I'm recording the video, the September 2024 release, it's only available in Power BI website. If you are using Microsoft Store on your Windows, it's still appearing the August version. So if you want the dark mode, please go to the website of Power BI and download it from there. And after that, the dark mode will be available once again. I hope you like it and enjoy this video, and let me know what you're thinking of the dark mode in Power BI in the comments below. And I see you guys on our next video.